Hello. Right, this one is, oh, where's draw gone there? This one is now we're talking about formulas, formula, formulas, formulae, and this one is just going to be using words. Very easy, this one. Um, a formula is just something that you use to work out an amount, and you can use the same formula all the time. For example, if we've got uh, 6 bananas at uh, £3 each. Oh, these are expensive bananas. 6 bananas at £3 each. So that would be in your, part of the wording of the question. Billy has gone to the shop. He's bought 6 bananas at £3 each. How much do they cost altogether? Well, the formula is going to be the bananas times the amount that each one costs. So it's just 6 times 3. You're just picking out from the question what you need to do, and that's £18. Yeah, something like this. Yeah. So if you pack, excuse me, 40 boxes per hour, and you work at packing the boxes, work for 3.5 hours. Yeah. How many boxes can you pack? So you're going to just look at all the information you've got in front of you, um, pick the numbers that you need to deal with, and create your own little formula. So you've got 40 boxes per hour times 3.5 hours, which is 120, 140, I think, yeah? 3/4 120, half of that is another 20, so it's 140 boxes. So that's all you're doing. You're just looking at the question, picking out what you need to do. Now, this can have more than one thing to do. So if you buy a phone, yeah, you need a deposit of, I don't know, yeah, £20, and then rent for 12 months. I don't know whether you rent, you buy it, don't you? I don't know. Anyway, you rent for 12 months at £15 per month. So we've got two things to do here, because we've got a £20, a 12 months, and a £15. So 12 months at £15, so you're going to need to do 12 times 15, and I'll put a bracket round there to keep it tidy, and the deposit, you're going to add on to that £20. It could be at the beginning 20 plus 12 times 15, and of course we're going to need the calculator for that one. 12 times 15 equals 180, plus 20 is 200. £200. So you've made your own little formula there. The months times the rental plus the deposit is how much you're going to pay. So let's have a look at, so that's two steps. So let's have a look at some examples. And don't forget, as always with these, you can pause, have a go, see what I do, and then see if we all get the same thing. Dan is getting some furniture delivered. Delivery costs £5 an item. How much will it cost Dan to get 7 items of furniture delivered? Right, so you've got 7 items times £5 per item. So your formula is 7 times 5, which equals £35. Nice and straightforward, that one. Chrissy needs wallpaper stripper. It costs a wallpaper stripper. It costs 12.50 a day to hire, plus a deposit of £40. How much will it cost Chrissy to hire the wallpaper stripper for 3 days and the deposit? So they've given you a bit of a hint. Don't forget the deposit and miss the T because it's gone round the corner. So you're going to have 3 days times £12.50, just like the other example I gave you with the phone. And onto that, you're going to add your £40 deposit. So 3 times £12.50 equals, and then plus 40 equals £77. And on the calculator it says 0.5, so be careful with this. It's not 5 pence, it's 50, because the calculator doesn't know you're working in money. Angela is leaving her car park at the airport while she goes away for a business for 5 days. It costs £24.50 a day, and there is a one-off charge of 15. How much will it cost Angela to park for 5 days? So we've got 5 days times £24.50. Keep that in a bracket. And then we've got the one-off charge of £15. Look, exactly the same. Yeah, we've made a little formula there. So 5 times £24.50 equals that. And we'll add on to that 15. And that comes up as a 137.5. Remember, it's money, so we do this to finish it off. I've got a couple more down here. Right, there's a complicated one at the end, so I'll put them all there so you can have a look. Right, Shabnam is a babysitter. She charges £5 an hour before midnight and £6.50 after. How much will she earn babysitting from 8 till 2 a.m.? Right, so from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. it's going to be equal to 4 hours. And from 12 p.m. to 2 a.m. it's going to be equal to 2 hours. So there's the numbers we need. So the formula we're going to use for this is £5 times 4 hours plus £6.50 times 2 hours. Yeah, and we do the multiplying in the brackets first and then add them. So 4 5s are 20 plus 650 times 2 is 13. So that will equal £33. Right, Josie takes a taxi when she travels between her house and town. The journey from her house to town, or the other way around, it usually costs £8. If she travels after 11, the journey costs £12. In 1 week, Josie travelled backwards in town 4 times. All the trips to town were before 11, and one journey back was after 11. Right, so one way cost £8. So she's gone for 4 times. So that is altogether that's 8 journeys. Yeah, 8 journeys altogether. Now, all the trips to town were before, so that's 4, and one journey back was after 11. So we've got 7 journeys times £8 plus one journey times £12. So 56 plus 12 is £68. £68. Okay, hope you did okay with that. There'll be a worksheet on this one, and we're going to move on to formulas using letters next one. Okay, see you in the next one.